Samsung says to do is turn your water off. Well, I would have to remove the refrigerator, pull it out, and turn the water off. And that's just not going to happen just to change the water filter. Now, it's easier for me to go outside the house and turn the water off outside. You should do what you need to do to turn the water off. Some people, it's underneath the sink. In Florida, the valves around here, they get so locked up with calcium that the valves don't turn, and then you might be in for a lot of problems. But my valve outside the house turns very easily. So this is how the package comes, all shrink wrapped. Looks very premium. I haven't had any issues with these filters. Like I said, the choice is yours to use the factory ones. Maybe you don't want to spend that much money for just one filter. These come in a 3-pack for less than the price of one filter from Samsung. That could be good or that could be bad, but it's your choice. So like you say, you have to unpackage them, and they come, like I said, very well packaged. Nothing in this package makes you think that you're getting a cheap filter. So these are the dual O-rings, and this is a cam lock. I showed it before. It's a twist and lock, very what I think to be very self-explanatory. It's got an arrow, says start. So something you may not have seen when I just unboxed this was the instructions fall to the floor. You get nice printed instructions from Pure Plus. Very detailed. Again, you got a barcode scan that you can scan and go to the website. You also have these decals to say when you changed it. Of course, these refrigerators, they are electronic and they tell you when to change it. Now mine's not due yet, but I'm going to do it just for the purpose of a few viewers that have requested to see how you twist and turn. So the arrow up is on the lock, and the lock unlock icon is over on the left. So you're going to twist the arrow like that, and it's going to pop out. Now normally it doesn't pop out that much, but that time it did. So just put it back in from the unlock area. Give it a push because there's a spring in there. You got to push the spring, which is what made it pop out. So that's all there is to it. Now, after you change the filter, you need to run some water through the filter to purge the air. And how I normally do it is I will empty the pitcher, or I'll run several cups of water. So just empty the pitcher and let the filter fill it back up. Now we should hear the water in a minute. You can hear the air coming out while it's filling the pitcher. Takes a minute to fill that pitcher. There it's full. Now it's always good to check for leaks. Make sure you don't have any leaks. Everything is dry. Nothing's dripping out anywhere. And I would also get a glass. Purge the other water here. Make sure you get all the air out. And it looks like all the air came out. There may be, you might get some air in a little bit. So dump that water a few times and cycle it, and that'll get your filter going, and you should be good to go.